Hi guys, this is day 10 to practice my English, and I have lunch right now. I eat, I'm eating noodle with spinach. Um, Today topic I'll talk about the previous question that I'm not answer yet. So I may not share my screen again instead of summarize the questions. The first question that I'm not answer yet is what is hosting and how does it work? And the second one is explain the event loop and how it works in JavaScript. And the next question is difference synchronous and asynchronous. And the next question is different different about raw function and regular functions. And the last question is the difference between call, apply, and bind in JavaScript. So let's find out together about what is hosting and how does it work. JavaScript. Hosting. If I'm not wrong, the answer is JavaScript default behavior of moving declaration to the top. So in the example that W3 school the declaration should be on the top before the usage. So let's say we have value in the number is 2. Let's say constant a equal to and the variable should be at the top before before the variable usage. That the hosting means. And how does it work? JavaScript render the code from the top to the bottom. So it works sequential. The first variable will render first, and the next rendering is the usage. So the code will the code work like that. And the next question, the event loop and how it works in JavaScript. Let's find out together. There is answer from Geeks for Geeks. The answer doesn't clear. So I change the answer from MDN event loop. Event loop means there is looping in the action. So let's say we have looping 2 times, and between the looping run, there's one task have an action. For example, synchronous and asynchronous. So while the looping runs, the item needs callback from another function. So I think the item and every item let's call back from another function, but it's applied with looping. So that means event loop. There is event in the looping. I think it's the answer. And the next is different regular function and raw function. Mm, okay. The the differences is syntax and argument object usage, hosting, impli, impli, implication return, and the last is method as object properties. I don't know the exactly the difference of regular and raw function, but the functionality is similar, or I can say it's equal, but the raw function just modernization of the regular function. Okay, let's answer into the next questions. Okay, this is the last question. What is the difference between call, apply, and bind? Okay, I'll ask ChatGPT for the answer. Okay, ChatGPT say the call function usage for when you want to invoke a function with specific this value and pass arguments individually. And apply function usage for when you have arguments in an array and want to invoke a function with those arguments. And bind function usage for when you want to create a new function with a specific this value and reuse it later. So from the tree function, I just understand bind functions. Bind function can be reusable for JavaScript function because we can buy now but use later. Okay, for the key differences that of those functions are invocation, arguments, passing, and output. So yeah, I think that's it about the popular question of JavaScript concept. So I have answered all of the question. So let's meet tomorrow and talk about advanced topics about JavaScript. And the date today is 27 January 2025, and the time is 3 p.m. And what else? I think that's it about my practice English today. Okay, if you have another answer about question before, you can comment below. Thank you.